Asana is a great program for managing both your team and your activities. In this video, you will discover how to use the application to make your work effective. Hints of history on how Asana was created. Some time ago, Professor Martin Weissman and his son realized the importance of intelligent devices to improve the various levels of cooperation in their company. Hence, they hired a consultant, Alexander Pohlman, to create a program that would allow the 100-year-old company to enter the world of ultramodern and advanced devices. This led the consultant to create Asana, a work and project management program. Asana, the three key elements of work. There are three key elements that define work and project management mentioned above. These are work, projects, and project portfolio. A work management platform helps teams and companies to plan, organize, and complete work based on these three pillars. Asana is based on several pillar functions. You can create projects for your own needs and divide them into phases. You can assign performers to each task and can appoint a supervisor. Within a specific task, you can define subtasks for which you can set due dates, and within a task, you can create and conduct conversations with people assigned to it, as well as share attachments, add tags, etc. For specific tasks, you can assign people a mark with different symbols, which is great for team communication. Thanks to these intuitive functions, Asana does not require the creation of a working system according to a certain premise, since it adapts perfectly to your standards and preferences. It is up to you to decide how your team's work should look in this application. Do you like to use colors? There is nothing to prevent you from doing so, and the task board will be easier for you to read. You do not like to divide tasks into subtasks. It is not necessary if you consider it a waste of time. Instead, you can, for example, label tasks to simplify their division into task areas. Asana is a tool that adapts completely to your needs. Asana User Manual. In fact, this chapter could be skipped completely, as the operation of Asana is very intuitive. However, some general rules should be emphasized. After logging into Asana, the main view can be the tasks one has according to their completion time. I recommend this function for those who are less organized or want to limit the number of applications used.